They said this plane was finished. Left alone in the desert, buried by time, no crew, no movement, only silence. Then we found it. The body was damaged. The cockpit was dead. The engines were filled with dust. But the frame was still strong, so we started.
Yeah, I'm at the site now. The cargo is secure. I'll check the system next. Copy that. Over.
Come on, we need to secure this now! The trucks are waiting.
Understood. Almost done.
Good. We can't afford any delays.
Look at this gauge. The crack is getting wider. I see it. The needle is in the red zone. Pressure's dropping. This whole system could fail. Hubs are secure, no play. Lines look good, no leaks. Struts are clean, checking pins. Confirmed, all clear. Panel gap looks good. Alignment is within tolerance. No unusual wear here. Documenting the findings. Hinge looks good, check the latch. Latch is aligning, almost there. Supporting, it's secure. Confirmed, latch is aligned. Good work, seal it up. All right, valve is set, open it slowly. Copy, opening now. Flow is steady, no leaks. Good, monitor the level. Level is rising, all clear.
We opened every panel, cleaned years of dirt, rebuilt the cockpit, restored the landing gear, repaired the cargo bay, fixed the doors, brought the engines back. Piece by piece, it returned. Then came the moment. Power on. One engine started, then another. Soon, all four were alive again. After years of silence, it moved on its own, not abandoned anymore, back in service.
If you enjoy discovering forgotten war machines, make sure to subscribe to War Relics Achieve for more incredible restorations.